Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I cannot believe that it's the last episode of November, the last episode of my Instant Pot recipe series. So to wrap it all up, I'm sharing with you a vegan butternut squash chili made in the Instant Pot, of course. It's quick, it's easy, and you're gonna absolutely love it. So if you guys love Instant Pot and Instant Pot recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I did was put my Instant Pot on the saute mode, and I added some avocado oil inside. And then now I'm gonna add my onions that I've diced up and garlic that I've minced and one jalapeno that I also diced really finely. And I'm gonna saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions become translucent. All right, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna add some spices. So very simple spices here, just some black pepper, salt, paprika, and a little bit of cumin. Give that a good mix. All right, now I'm gonna add a couple more ingredients. Some black beans. I've got a can of black beans that I've rinsed. A couple of Roma tomatoes that I've also cut up. All right, now we're gonna fry this for a few minutes. All right, so that looks good. And now I'm gonna add in some vegetable stock. All right, and then one huge bay leaf. I have no idea why my bay leaf is so big. I'll split it in half. We're gonna take this out before we eat anyways. And then the star of the recipe, butternut squash that I bought diced already. All right, that looks good. And my butternut squash I actually froze, which is why you'll see a little bits of ice in it. But that's it, I'm gonna close it up and on manual high pressure, cook it for 6 minutes. And then I'll show you after it's naturally released. All right, welcome back. So my Instant Pot just beeped, so let's go ahead and open it up. The pin has dropped. Ooh, perfect. All right, okay, let me give it a good stir. Make sure all the butternut squash, oh, if you could smell this too, it smells delicious. All right, so gonna just pick out the bay leaves. Just saw the other one somewhere. And you can see that it's getting thicker because the butternut squash is just melting away, but then you still have chunks. All right, perfect. I don't know where the other bay leaf, oh, there it is. All right, so now time for a taste test. Now you can dress this up however you want, sour cream, cheese. If you want to keep it vegan, you wouldn't add the cheese. And then what else? You could add jalapenos, onions, kind of whatever you like to top your regular chili with, you do the same here. But I'm just gonna eat it plain as it is. All right. It smells so good. Perfect. See, the butternut squash is just melting away, which is awesome. All right. I'm gonna blow on this, let it cool off just a little bit so I don't burn my tongue. All right, so one tip that I did with this dish was I made my own veggie broth, which added a ton of flavor. I can tell by just having some of the broth that it's delicious, and it's because I took the time to kind of make my own veggie broth. But, you know, you can always just use what you have on hand. It's still delicious nonetheless. So this is it. It's so easy. Few ingredients that you probably already have in hand. Butternut squash, always a favorite, so definitely the star of this dish. So if you guys love Instant Pots and Instant Pot recipes, things that come together really, really quick, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.